Welcome to InQuery. In today's demo, I'll be illustrating how we can use InQuery to explore your data and quickly build analysis to answer the real business questions you've been asking. For this example, we'll be using the AdventureWorks 2022 SQL Server database. This database comes pre-connected with every new InQuery account, so anyone can jump in and follow along using the same dataset. Now, typically, when working with a new database, the first step is always exploration. Learning about your schemas, your tables, your column names, your relationships. And this process can be time-consuming. With InQuery, we can skip that step entirely. Instead, we can start by just asking the question, can you tell me about this database? Behind the scenes, InQuery has already built what we call an AI environment. This AI environment gives the agent deep contextual understanding of the data source. This happens automatically with every new connection. And right away, we start to get a response back. It explains the general representation of what the data is. In this case, it's a fictional bicycle manufacturing company. It starts to give us technical information about the schemas and the tables as well as their purposes, as well as business understandings of specifically what's stored in here and what can be found. At the bottom, it's going to give us suggestions about analysis we can run next and prompts that we can click on that the agent suggests. Here's the full explanation here. Now, as I said, this has given us a lot of suggestions about where we can go. We can continue to explore, but in this case, we'll go ahead and skip that and go straight to some analysis. We can start by asking another question. Create a simple line chart of monthly revenue. Now, while this is running, a few things are happening automatically. It determines which tables and columns to use, builds the SQL query, including the joins, filters, and aggregations. It goes ahead and executes that query, and then it generates a Python script to visualize the results. And all of this is happening without us specifying a schema, a table, or a column. Now, within seconds, we get the full SQL query, the Python visualization code, and the final chart. And importantly, nothing is hidden. This is not a black box. Everything an InQuery produces is fully transparent, fully editable, and fully reusable. Now, this is just a simple example, but this is just a starting point. From here, we could turn this graphic into an interactive dashboard, or we could run some regression or trend analysis. We could even apply some advanced machine learning models that you can all find here in our help guide. Or if everything's even easier, you can just ask the agent directly. It knows what it's capable of and can guide you through your analysis. We built InQuery to do one thing really well. Put the power of data back into the hands of the users. Whether you're a developer, an analyst, or a business user, you can go from question to analysis to output in minutes, not hours. We're excited for you to start using InQuery, and we're excited to hear your feedback. Thank you for watching, and again, welcome to InQuery.